This is what Scooter looks like when we go on walks. He likes to play tug-of-war with a leash. Come on, Scooter. Say hi to Sarah. Oh my gosh, he spazzes out. Walk, dog. Come on, Scooter. I don't know why he likes his leash so much. I don't think I even have to latch to him. He just like holds it in his mouth. Okay. I'll do this for a bit. And he's done. Now he's gonna walk.